Automobile Engineering, SNS College of Technology, Coimbatore. So in this video, we are going to discuss about a topic called traffic rules. So as we discussed in the previous video, we have discussed about the different maintenance and then types of maintenance. So for that, further, we will discuss about the traffic rules to be followed in all case. So here, the traffic signs are road sign or signs erected at the side of road to provide information to the road user. Yes, we know with the traffic rules is very important. So while driving, so these traffic rules is a major impact for the to avoid the accident. Then the pictorial signs are used as symbols in place of it. So as every roadside on the place where we have the crowd, so in that place we have the symbol board, so that boards that indicator that indicates the where we have to go. And then yes, control devices for traffic signs need full attention, respect and adequate driver's response. So this information has to be followed, should be followed by the driver and as well as users. So here we have the type of traffic signs. So these signs to be followed in three ways. The first one is the mandatory sign. So in that mandatory sign that indicates it to be followed. So it is called, it's a command from the government has to be followed, right? So next one is cautionary sign. So these symbols are indicating the warnings, that is you can take the sudden turning, or it indicates the accidental area, the schools and then college, so hospitals. So these kind of warning, so the warning, so we have to very careful drive on those particular area. Then the third one is informative signs, so it indicates the information. So you see here we have the signs. Mandatory signs means it is completely a restricted area. For example, one way, two way. So these things are completely restricted. And next one is cautionary sign. Next one informative sign. So here it is the mandatory sign. So already as we have discussed, the mandatory sign, it is thick. It is like a order command. So for example, we have it is no entry, one way, then one way, then vehicle prohibited in both direction, the truck prohibited, and then bullock cart prohibited, and then tank, then mobile phone, it is now mobile phone prohibited, and then cycle prohibited, and a pedestrian prohibited. So these things are the symbols that indicates the mandatory sign. So further 50 kilometer per hour, then so 3.5 meter, that is height or distance ahead. The next one is the cautionary signs. So these cautionary signs yes, indicate we have to take the sudden curve or the sudden hillside. So these things indicate we have to drive the vehicle carefully. So first we have right hand curve, left hand curve, right hair bend, hairpin bend, and then what is right reverse bend, steep ascent, steep descent, and then a narrow road ahead. So these symbols are indicates the cautionary sign. And then the next one is informative sign. So in this informatory sign, we have public telephone, and then petrol bank, then hospital, then first aid. So and then so these things, it gives the information for the drivers in the any you can take and the any of this roadside. You may have that indication, that is the symbol board that indicates the petrol bunk or near 1 kilometer. So that, so such kind of information, it is given So these things are called as informatory sign. So, in this video, we have discussed about the different symbols are used in the traffic, and then various traffic rules. So for that, we have three different signs. The first one is mandatory sign. So these mandatory signs indicates that it is the symbols it to be followed. It is the fixed one, or you can take it as the command or order they have to follow. If it is not followed, means you will be fined some amount by the government, other government things. Then next one is cautionary info signs. So these cautionary info signs, the symbols indicates the where we can go. For example, you can take sudden left, sudden right, and then hill. So the such kind of info things, it is indicated by the cautionary sign. Also the schools near college, so the such kind of information, such kind of things to be indicated by the cautionary sign. The third one is informatory sign. So this informatory sign indicate the it indicates the information for the driver who drive the vehicle, like petrol bank, and then telephone booth, then in distance, particular area, that is 40 kilometers again or 30 kilometers. So such kind of information it is given by this informatory sign. So in the next, so thank you. So in the next video we will discuss about some other concepts in vehicle maintenance and reconditioning topic. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching this video.